Welcome to this comprehensive review of LocalBitcoins, one of the most popular peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading platforms. In this video, we'll explore how the platform works, its standout features, and why it has become a go-to choice for crypto enthusiasts worldwide. If you've been curious about how to buy or sell Bitcoin directly with other users, this is the video for you. LocalBitcoins is designed to connect buyers and sellers in a decentralized way, allowing users to negotiate prices, payment methods, and terms without relying on traditional centralized exchanges. To get started, all you need to do is sign up, complete verification, and start browsing available offers from local and international traders. The platform supports various payment options, including bank transfers, PayPal, and even cash in some cases, making it highly accessible. Safety is a major concern in crypto trading, and LocalBitcoins takes this seriously by implementing an escrow system. When a trade is initiated, the Bitcoin from the seller is held in escrow until the payment is confirmed, ensuring that both parties are protected. This feature, combined with user ratings and feedback, provides an added layer of trust and transparency for users. Now, let's dive into the interface. The platform's user-friendly design allows you to search for offers by location, payment method, and price. Simply select a trade that suits your needs, communicate with the trader via the chat function, and finalize the deal. Transactions are quick, and fees are minimal compared to some centralized exchanges. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For those concerned about privacy, LocalBitcoins offers varying levels of identity verification based on the trade amount and jurisdiction. While this ensures compliance with global regulations, it also keeps the platform accessible for low-volume traders. Keep in mind that adhering to KYC policies is crucial for maintaining a safe and compliant trading environment. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started in the crypto world, LocalBitcoins provides a versatile and secure platform for trading Bitcoin. By connecting directly with other users, you can often find competitive rates and flexible payment options. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like to support more in-depth reviews like this. Stay tuned for more cryptocurrency insights and tutorials.